If you want to learn how to create ebooks fast to get more leads, sales, and customers, you're going to want to watch this video all the way till the end. So let me show you right now, just jump right into how to create stunning ebooks and reports in less than 2 minutes. This is Designrr, and it allows you to create ebooks and lead magnets and transform your blog posts, podcast videos, and PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flipbooks, and transcripts, and PDFs and web pages. What I'm going to do is log into my account and show you how to create a blog post into a lead magnet. So I'm going to go to one of my blog posts that I created, and I'm going to pull the link. So you see me do this live. So let me just go ahead and pull this link. And I'm going to grab this one, copy it, going back into my projects, and you see all of your drafts. Here's all of mine, content upgrades and lead magnets that I've created. Click on Start a New Project, select an import option, and so I'm going to import from blog post URL. You also can import from YouTube, Facebook page, podcast to PDF. There's a lot of things that you can do. So in the comment section below, if this is helpful, go ahead and put in the comment section, I want it, I like it, tell me more. So I'm going to put here, import from blog post, and it's going to say fetch. Now it's pulling all the information in. Click next. Then it's going to give you some templates. So you can pick a template of whatever you want. So I'm just going to pick one very quickly that says bullet points. You can preview it, see if this is what you want, which makes it very easy for you. And for this example, this is fine. Use this template. We're now preparing your ebook. And so it automatically does everything in the background for you. And there it goes. It went ahead and pulled all the content from my blog post and created an ebook for me. And it did it in less than 2 minutes. Of course, you can go back in there and make any type of upgrades to it. So like for here, this would be the call to action if you're following the attention, interest, desire, and then the action. So I'm going to change this and put some call to action there. If you would like to see more of a walkthrough of how to use Designrr to create ebooks, let me know in the comment section. Just say, show me more in the comment section, and I will do that. So what you saw in less than 2 minutes, I created this blog article and converted it in less than a minute using Designrr to create an ebook that I can also send to my list or to be able to capture more emails. And here's how it works. Of course, I have the links in the description section below where you can go ahead and try out Designrr. I think they have a $27 lifetime deal as of this recording, but that is going away most likely soon. But here's how it works. You choose your source, which you saw that I did that. Import written content from blogs, websites, social content from Facebook pages even, and then audio and video and YouTube files. If you'd like for me to show you how to do that with YouTube, you'll be amazed when you'll see how the AI is able to pull that information from the IBM Watson. So that's number one. The number two, review your draft. So I showed you how to do that. So correct typos, screenshots, block quotes, make it look a little bit pretty. It'd probably take another 5 minutes for a blog article. Choose your template. You saw me choose the template, and all the ad images they have copyright free images inside of the platform. Tweak and tune. So add any final touches to your PDF, ebook, or blog post. So you saw that I will eventually add a call to action at the end of that lead magnet that I just created. And if you want me to talk more about how to do that through more of a longer step-by-step walkthrough, just go ahead and put in the comment section below, show me more, and then publish. So with one click, you can create the PDF and ebook, and then you add that as a lead magnet into your list. That's how you do it. And as of this recording, here's your pricing. You have your monthly plans, so it's $29 a month, $39, $49, and $99. And then so those are your monthly plans. And you can see, what does it say? There's a special going on as of right now. But you'll have the links in the description. It's cancel at any time. And if you have any other questions, you can go ahead and put those in the comment section below. I've been using Designrr for about 5 or 6 years. So it's been a long time since I'm one of the original users. When it first came out, it's gotten it has gotten a lot better with all the different upgrades over the years.